The Oscars are tonight, and while the stars are prepping for their acceptance speeches, many have spent months preparing their faces for their big moment on the red carpet. I'm so excited to talk about this. Let's bring in the Scoop's Paula Frolic and facial plastic surgeon, Dr. Yael Halaas. Doctor, welcome. Paula, my friend, welcome back.
I'm so excied to be here
because we love this topic.
As you know, last week I wrote about the $250,000 facelift that men are getting. And it's not just for ladies no more. I know. So I'm excited to talk about this with Yael.
I can't spend $250,000. So what facial treatments are people swearing by?
So we are definitely seeing there's been an increase in facelifts year over year, and we're seeing the American Academy of Facial Plastics and Reconstructive Surgery. We see at least a 5% increase in men getting these procedures as well, and it's year over year we're seeing increase in facelifts. So when you see these super expensive facelifts, what are some of the things that they are doing? And some of it is just the new technologies we have. So the new hot things that people are doing are exosomes. That's something that people always want to know about. For prepping for the Oscars, we're definitely seeing people getting their Botox, their fillers, the super expensive facelifts, which we could talk about, exosomes, and soft wave is some of the new technologies.
Tell us more about soft wave. We know about Botox. We've heard about baby Botox. What's soft wave? Have you done it?
I have done soft wave.
And do you notice a difference?
I did, actually. I did. I was my own little guinea pig, and it's ultrasound. And thankfully, you also get some laughing gas because it hurt.
It hurts.
And you get it, and then it stimulates collagen, and all of a sudden you don't have flaky, wrinkly skin no more.
Is that what that? Is there anything else it achieves? Because those sound like great benefits.
Those are great benefits, and SoftWave actually is FDA approved for on a number of different things. It can give reliably about a 2-millimeter lift to the brow.
Wow.
It reduces fine lines and wrinkles throughout the face and neck, and can also, which is FDA approved, so it really is working to give a lift to this underneath the chin area. We call this the submental area and the neck.
Wait, I have a question though.
Yeah.
Because I was talking to Yael yesterday, and you were telling me about the $1 million makeover.
What? Wait, very quickly before we move on, people in the studio want to know how much a soft wave cost for.
So soft wave, depending on how many years are getting treated, can be anywhere to maybe about $2,000.
Whoa!
For a treatment.
Okay. All right, $2,000. But let's go to that $1 million makeover.
Yeah, because by the way, just so we're clear, I don't get it. I'm like, I can't even afford a house, and people are like, I got $1 million. Hold on.
What does that consist of?
Well, so when we're talking about $1 million makeover, is that and the stars are starting like a year in advance, even to make sure that they're going to look great
for the Oscars.
For the Oscars, for a movie, we see this, and their budget can run that high. But what they're using then is a little bit of nipping and tucking, some filler to help to chisel out both the face and neck as well as the body. And when you're talking about full area, and soft wave actually can be used for crepey arms to help improve the skin of the abdomen as well. So when you're putting all of these technologies together, and you really have to look, and these stars have to look their very best. You can have, we've seen budgets as high as $1 million in a year.
Can we discuss, where do I put filler on my body?
Yes, where do you put filler in your body?
Yeah, so soft wave we're using for the crepey skin.
Sure, makes sense.
But then you really want your muscles to be looking its great. And so there's muscle stimulating technology.
No way.
And you want to have help to chisel out and so your six-pack you can be putting in.
No way. So if I go out on a date and some guy's got a six-pack, is it okay to ask him, is that a Juvederm six-pack? I'm concerned.
And for both men and women for the buttocks.
Very quickly though, for those of us that can't afford $1 million or $2,000, what's the affordable version of the celeb package?
So the affordable version would be some of these new technologies that you could even be using at home or in the clinic. So we know we have our Botox and we have our fillers, which are in the couple $100 range. Exosomes is the latest and greatest technology, and it truly is. It is actually your body's stem cells releasing messengers to turn your cells back on. And so products like here we have from Elevate.
All right.
It's a topical product you can use, and you're maybe in the $100 range.
Yes, I need more information on that. Dr. Halaas. Paula, thank you so much, ladies. The third hour of Morning in America starts right now.